Welcome to another video from Darren Hornby GWR. This time we're looking at the Hornby toy shop, and the product number is R2R. What I mean is, it's, if I get the camera to focus, just there, it's R9829. This is from the Scaledale range, and this is what was on my layout before I had to dismantle it. So I'm just showing you the side of the box, everything, and it's also got in the windows Hornby products, so that's a thumbs up. So as we just turn the box around, you can see this, and it's made in cast resin. I have fitted a light bulb into this so that it glows up in the dark. So also on the back of the box, apologies for my hand, it's all in different languages, everything. So this came out in 2019. I'll put a link below. If you can get it on eBay, have a look, or Amazon. I think Hornby has stopped producing these, but if you look at Amazon or the local toy model shop, you probably can still get them, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's get into the box and have a look. I am struggling to get this open, but it's one size I haven't opened at all. So it could be one, I've got two of these, it could be one I haven't fitted with lighting, but if it hasn't, hey, we can deal without that for a moment. So this is how it comes. Yeah, there you go. As I said, it's got my lighting equipment fitted. So if I can just hold the camera steady enough, you can see it's got quite a lot of detail that the camera doesn't want to focus. It's got like, looks like Thomas the Tank Engine and other Hornby products like buildings from the Scaledale range, coaches, more coaches, and then the other side of the building, the train set, that's really good. Other locomotives, as you can see, and that's what it says. I'm not very good at pronouncing it. Same there. Lovely detail on the door. That door there, and lovely detail on the drain pipe. Brickwork. It's lovely. Roof details really good. So basically this would be hooked up to another building here, and you wouldn't even notice that. So that's one thing about this. So you can see is like the dirt here, like a bit of weathering it has had. And then this is the back of the shop, a door there, and then a small drain pipe I think that could be the kitchen area or something where people live, and they've got a upstairs room above the shop. So this is very lovely when it glows up from my lighting equipment, as you can see. So I wanted to show you this building, and hopefully I could come up with other videos as I've got time, but who knows what it could be. I do not know. So thank you very much to watch this review. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and if you love the video, hit the thumbs up button, and also share this to your family, friends, uncles or your grandparents, whoever, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.